Welcome back. I am your expert technical instructor. In this session, we dive into designing and implementing appropriate metrics and queries, specifically for the delivery phase of your DevOps pipelines. Continuous delivery extends continuous integration by automating production-ready release pipelines. To optimize this process, organizations must establish metrics that track the efficiency of their delivery lifecycle. By exploring different release strategy recommendations, we can define metrics for release cadence, deployment success rates, and cycle times. Designing these delivery metrics provides visibility into bottlenecks, allowing transformation teams to systematically reduce the time it takes to deliver customer value. Please remember to like, subscribe, and visit quicktechie.com for premium certification prep. This Azure CLI command queries the recent history of release pipelines, providing raw data to analyze the overall deployment success and failure rates. This flow shows the transition from integration to delivery. An artifact triggers the release pipeline, generating the core metrics used to evaluate delivery speed. A highly mature delivery pipeline relies on release gates to protect production quality. Release gates evaluate external signals, such as monitoring alerts, compliance checks, or approval statuses, before allowing a deployment to proceed. Measuring the pass/fail rates of these gates is a crucial delivery metric. If a specific quality gate frequently blocks releases, it highlights an upstream quality issue that requires attention. Querying this data ensures that your delivery velocity does not compromise system stability. Visit quicktechie.com for deep dive training guides. This YAML snippet demonstrates configuring a webhook resource to act as an automated release gate, querying an external security service before deployment. The release gate mechanism. Staging deployment triggers an automated check. If the metrics are valid, production deployment proceeds. Otherwise, it halts. To minimize risk during the delivery phase, teams implement blue-green deployments. This pattern involves maintaining two identical environments, one live green and one idle blue. By exploring Azure deployment slots, we can route traffic instantly between these environments. The key delivery metrics here include swap duration, rollback frequency, and zero downtime validation. Tracking how often a blue-green deployment requires a rollback provides insight into the reliability of your release candidate testing. Please remember to visit quicktechie.com for more insights. This command executes the core action of a blue-green deployment in Azure App Service by instantly swapping the staging slot with the production slot. The blue-green flow. Deploy the new version to the idle slot, run validation tests, perform the traffic swap, and monitor the live production metrics. For organizations seeking progressive delivery, canary releases are the optimal strategy. This approach involves routing a small percentage of user traffic to the new release, while the majority remain on the stable version. By examining Azure Traffic Manager, we can precisely control this traffic distribution. The delivery metrics for canary releases focus on comparing error rates and latency between the canary and stable cohorts. If the canary metrics show degradation, the rollout is automatically halted, minimizing the blast radius. Please like and subscribe for more content. This CLI command updates the Azure Traffic Manager profile to explicitly route exactly 10% of traffic to the new canary endpoint. The canary traffic shifting model. Traffic Manager routes the majority of traffic to the stable release and a fraction to the canary release for telemetry comparison. Understanding the delivery cadence requires analyzing the triggers that initiate your pipelines. There are three primary types of triggers: CI triggers based on code commits, scheduled triggers for nightly runs, and PR triggers for branch validation. By querying pipeline analytics, teams can measure deployment frequency, a core DevOps metric. High-performing teams continuously increase their deployment frequency by utilizing automated CI triggers, moving away from slow, manual, schedule-based batch releases. quicktechie.com offers extensive modules on configuring these triggers. This pipeline configuration sets up automated continuous integration triggers for commits to the main branch and any commit marked with a release version tag. This highlights event-driven automation. A code merge fires either a pull request trigger or a continuous integration trigger to launch the delivery pipeline. Modern delivery architectures are increasingly adopting GitOps release strategies. In a GitOps model, the Git repository acts as the single source of truth for declarative infrastructure and application deployments. Delivery metrics in this paradigm focus on configuration drift, measuring the time it takes for the live environment to synchronize with the desired state declared in Git. Implementing continuous reconciliation loops ensures that unauthorized manual changes to production are automatically reverted and logged as security events. Visit quicktechie.com for deep dive GitOps training. While GitOps utilizes advanced operators like Flux or Argo CD, the foundational concept relies on applying declarative YAML manifests directly to the cluster. The GitOps reconciliation loop. An operator continuously monitors the cluster, detecting configuration drift and automatically syncing it back to the Git state. To maximize the value of these delivery metrics, they must be visualized on comprehensive Azure DevOps dashboards. By creating custom widgets that display deployment frequency, canary success rates, and release gate failures, You provide transformation teams with actionable insights. This continuous visibility allows organizations to refine their delivery architecture systematically. Please remember to like, subscribe, and visit quicktechie.com for premium certification prep, including Q&A banks, ebooks, audiobooks, training, and interview guides. This command programmatically integrates a deployment status widget into the team dashboard, centralizing visibility over all active release pipelines. The visualization pipeline. Pipeline execution data flows into Azure Analytics, feeding custom delivery widgets to help teams optimize their release cadence.
Welcome to quicktechie.com. So just type in quicktechie.com here. Then you can go through the material which is provided by quicktechie. So we have first of all video courses which you can go here and you can find the various video courses across the technologies as well as finance domain. So if you see in Microsoft, we have 8 programs currently running. Next, you can go through the ebooks available. So all the ebooks which are in PDF format today, and you can download this. So let me go through Microsoft certification ebooks. You can click on any of this and you can see this is the PDF available for you to download. So these are the premium ebook mostly available on quicktechie.com platform only. Now the second part is exam simulator. As we primarily focus on the all technology companies and finance domain certification preparation material, so this is company wide listed here and you can go through this. So let me go through the Microsoft one again. You can see these are all Microsoft related certification. AB730 exam, if you open it, so you can see here this, and all the practice papers are available here. Today we have a 5 practice paper. So click on the first practice paper. It would load the questions. You can answer this question. This is way you can answer it and you can move to the next question. Now the third material we wanted to highlight is an audiobook. So we started recently with the audiobooks as well, which you can listen on the go, and various technology wise ebooks are available. And at the last, this is our alumni. These people who are subscribing to our courses and this platform, they are all listed here. And at the end, I wanted to tell you, if you find any course or training or certification preparation material which you want to get us prepare for yourself, please put on the comment section. If you're watching on YouTube, on Udemy, or on this platform itself, quicktechie.com, then please put the comment, or you can even send an email to using this contact us options here. You can directly do the WhatsApp message. You can call us on this numbers as well.